Hello friends. Now, based on the BODMAS rule, we solve this expression by step solution. BODMAS says first B solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. Stand for O we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Step 1. According to this step 1, solve the inner brackets, parentheses. We look inside the smallest brackets and this is 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1. First, according to BODMAS, we must multiply before we add. So first we multiply the digits 1 multiplied by 1 and then we add the digits 1 plus 1 2. According to this step, multiplication has a higher priority than the addition inside the bracket, and now the expression becomes 1 plus 1 multiply square bracket 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 and then divided by 1. Now step 2. Solve the outer brackets, square brackets. As you can see, now we resolve the content of the square brackets. First, 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2. Again, we follow the priority of multiplication over addition. First, we multiply the digits 1 multiplied by 2 equals to 2. And after we add the digits 1 plus 2 equals to 3. According to this step, we must clear all the level of brackets before moving to the operations outside of them. Now the resulting expression becomes 1 plus 1 multiplied by 3 divided by 1. Now step 3, division and multiplication. So now that the brackets are gone, we solve the remaining division and multiplication from left to right. First, we multiply the digits 1 into 3 equals to 3 and then after divide the digits equals to 3. According to this step 3, division and multiplications hold the same rank in BODMAS. So we simplify process them in order they appear. So after the expression becomes 1 plus 3 and finally we add. Last remaining operation is addition. Finally we add the values and we'll get 4 as a final result, and this is the final step also in the order of operations. Now conclusion says following the BODMAS rule ensures that the complex expression with multiple nested layers are simplified logically to reach the correct mathematical outcome. So according to this expression, the final answer is 4, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.